Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how I was able to link an Excel chart into PowerPoint. So let's say you have this data here, this list of remote sites and sites that have been migrated to uh, SD-WAN, and I see that the total number is 10 and completed sites is 6, and this is just um, representation or just showing us the percentage of the completed and remaining sites. So here, I also have this PowerPoint, this chart here, donut chart. So the 40% is remaining sites and completed, 60% is the completed sites. So let's say I wanted to link this chart. I wanted to copy this chart into PowerPoint and be able to basically update the data here in Excel and get the data automatically updated in PowerPoint. So what you can do is actually click the chart, Control C, or you can also just right click on it, copy, and go into PowerPoint and just select the destination slide or the slide where you want to insert the chart, and basically just um, right click on the slide, and you need to choose this. So let's say you wanted to, you want to use the destination theme and link data. So meaning you will use the formatting in the PowerPoint and link the data. So in this case, I will choose this. You can also, if you want to, I don't know, change the color of the shape, the formatting. If you want to change the formatting, you can do that in PowerPoint, and that will not affect the chart in Excel. So let me do that here real quick. So let's say format fill blue. Okay, this blue, and you can do that, and it will not affect the chart in Excel. But like I said, the data will automatically be updated. So let's say the completed sites is now 7. So that's not the correct way to do it. I will do it here in the table, and it will automatically update the completed sites here. And you can see that the completed site is now 70% and remaining sites is now 30%. And this will update the chart in Excel as well, as you can see here. So the underlying data is being, I mean, yeah, it's updated, but not the formatting. And the other one thing that I wanted to show is how you can link a range or table from Excel into PowerPoint. So the way to do it is just copy the range or table from Excel and go into PowerPoint and go home, and select paste and select paste special and select paste link. So here it says that insert a picture of the clipboard contents into your presentation. Paste link creates a shortcut to the source file so that changes to the source file will be reflected in your presentation. So basically, when you update the data here, it will, let me do that here. Let's say the completed sites is now 80%. It will, the table here is updated as well. But the downside about, I mean, with this approach is that you can somebody can, open the source file from PowerPoint. So by right-clicking into the table in this case and open, so that will open the source file. So if you don't want to, if you don't want someone to update or open the source file, better to avoid this approach. Better to just select, insert the table into PowerPoint by selecting this, use destination styles, or keep source formatting. In this case, I will choose use destination styles, and um, you can just edit the formatting here in PowerPoint, but this will not update the data automatically. Okay, so while I was thinking about this, I think what you can do is actually create a separate file if you have, if you don't want to share other files that you have, so you better to create a separate file just for this data here, in this case, table, and insert it or yeah, insert it into PowerPoint. So just this data here, not the rest of the information. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show you in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.